Another test recording.
You want to buy a donut for 50 cents?
Maybe. Start. Got two.
What?
I got two.
Cool.
I don't know if my roommate knows, but Fickner just came in knowing I was recording, and he didn't even know. He wanted to sell donuts. If you heard that. Yep, right now. I'm recording. I don't know if I'm going YouTube with this, but it's a possibility.
Put it on YouTube.
Alright. I'll put it on YouTube as my first video. Test video. That's probably what I'll name it.
Hello, all YouTubers.
My channel's tydestoyer or something like that. It's a tad bit laggy, I think, but it's not too bad compared to some of the other ones I've had.
No, the blueberries.
Right now I'm working on a tunnel, getting rid of all the excess lumber around, you could say. Yeah, I think it's a little leggy. This is the best one I have had.
Are you using gas?
No, I'm using Debut video capture software, something or other. Oh yeah, that's fairly leggy. Alright. Aw, I'm out. And I just went home. Oh, this will be a long ride home. Let's see how far I can get before I get hurt. That's it. I'm changing the station to skillet. Uh-oh. No, there's a creeper. Never really usually like those guys. Anyone else I'm fine with, but the creepers. It's like, seriously. They usually blow up on you. Yeah, we gotta make 2. Let's make 3. Uh-oh. Someone's calling for me. I think. But who cares?
Sure.
As long as a creeper doesn't come in that door, I guess we're good. I just hate creepers.
I know, right?
So hard to fight. I guess that means I should probably get some better weapons.
Are you on single player or are you on the server?
Single player.
We should do a video on the server sometime.
Come on in. My door's open. Oh, I see a spider. Those eyes used to creep me out. Like,
Spider eyes?
yeah. Like, they would just be there, and then all of a sudden I'm like,
Remember the first time you saw a spider jockey?
oh
The
yeah.
skeleton riding a spider?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the scariest crap I'd ever seen.
No, that wasn't as scary. I just don't like, I didn't like the spider eyes. It was
No, I
just
had
like,
never seen a spider jockey before.
oh.
I didn't even know they existed. I was down in a cave mining. All of a sudden, this
Yeah.
thing starts charging at me. I was like, what is that?
Yeah, I know.
And I bolted out of the cave. I'm screaming. And my friends are like, what is that? And I'm like, what?
I don't mind spider jockeys.
No, they're not that bad. It was just I didn't even know they existed. And all of a sudden, one was like charging at me.
The first time I think I saw one was a spider jockey was underneath a tree. I'm like, oh, cool. I didn't know they made those.
Well, see, what happened was I was mining, and I hear a spider and a skeleton at the same time. I turn around and it's like, what?
Usually I run for it and I just go, but I don't feel like it right now. I should really made a bed here. Oh wait, I think I have some wool. Oh, it's only 2.
What? Use spider webs.
Spider web?
How many do you have?
2.
Oh, first string.
Oh. I don't feel like going out though. I'll just cheat.
Cheater. We got cheaters.
Either I wait in my house for that long, or I just speed it up by doing this.
Yeah.
The best is when there's a spider jockey outside during the day, and all of a sudden you see this flame on top of a spider, and you're like, ha ha ha.
What program are you using?
Something with the, let me look at it. Debut, D-E-B-U-T, video capture software professional. Some stuff, I don't know. Oh shoot, creeper just blew up behind me. Right as I move forward, a creeper blows up. I should probably have my sound a little higher. Or turn down my music. I'll probably just turn down my music and turn up my other. What'd you do?
Starting to break already.
Haha.
Look at that. How's that even happen?
Did you get those for free or what'd you?
$4.
$4? Those are some. For some reason, I just don't like rain either.
Yeah, rain always makes it so laggy.
Maybe that's why.
The lag and monsters can come out. And
Well, I don't mind the monsters as much, usually.
monsters are effective like sometimes, but sometimes it's not.
Why? Why now? Out of all the times that you could attack me, why now? Yeah, your computer or laptop would probably run this program super easy.
Oh yeah. Terabyte of hard drive, all that good stuff.
You should open up your
Minecraft first, yeah.
no, I'm thinking that and your what is it called again?
What?
I can't remember what the name is to see it what your CPU is and
Oh.
all that.
Task manager.
Task manager. I hate that. I want one word or two, and I just can't think of it. What music is playing
Wait, I
right
wanna
now?
play offline. Let's see.
It's a stupid remix. I usually never like
Oh
remixes.
jeez, that spiked it so much.
Really?
Whoa.
I'm actually surprised on your laptop
What?
that it spiked it.
Yeah, it's at like 50% now. Okay, it's dropping. No, it's right in between 40 and 50.
The new biomes in 1.7 are sort of neat in a way. Except I don't like how big they are, so if you want to get somewhere else, like a new biome,
Yeah.
it takes longer. But other than that, I think it's pretty neat. It needs to update to get good stuff.
I heard Minecraft Instagram.
Oh, you're on the school's internet. You're not gonna be able to update. Crap.
Do you need internet to run this CPU?
No, I don't think so. Time to build my bridge across the water. Before I do that, I want to burn this before it burns my bridge. Burning bridges isn't really good. Especially if you have a long wooden bridge. Yeah, it was doing that for me too. Like, it wanted to upload, but I couldn't. So then it wouldn't work for me.
I feel like I had this problem like a few weeks ago. And I wanted to cry.
Yeah, you need to get that ready to upload gone. Where it's like by that logout, you need that like gone. That ready to upload. So I just went to Carl's and uploaded or updated it.
I want to play offline.
They won't let you know.
It's dumb.
Yep.
What now?
For all of you who watch, We here have the worst internet for Minecraft ever. They don't even allow it
They're all online.
online, yeah.
Well, they had YouTube blocked for the longest time. They finally unblocked that.
Oh yeah, that was annoying.
That was horrible. Hey, it dropped. Okay. CPU dropped about 25%. Alright, they won't even let us update Java. It's that bad.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And they won't let you download. They'll let you download certain things. The administrator that runs the server,
That's crap.
he thinks everything is a virus. He's so scared of kids downloading stuff. Doesn't realize that we probably know more than he does.
We do know more than he does for most things.
Most of it. He knows how to run our server better because he's been here for like the last 20 years. He knows how to enter in people's MAC addresses because he's been doing it for so long. But other than that, really, he doesn't.
Teach me in one day.
Exactly, yeah. It would take me less than a day to learn how to do what he does.
And I could probably run it
I'm not
better.
saying he's not a good guy.
I like him,
Yeah.
just not
He
what
doesn't
he
know-
does.
Yeah, he doesn't know
That's
what exactly he's doing. We should go to Starbucks so I can update this.
I should download the new server for so I can put it on this one, or the school internet one, or not the school internet, but the private one server we have.
Shoot.
What?
I don't know my password.
Oh,
Just log
haha, hobo clown.
Shoot. This isn't good. I use the same password for everything.
Apparently not for that. I know I changed my password for Minecraft. Usually I use one password for a lot of things. Oh.
Oh, it's not. Okay, no, it's just
Hmm.
won't let me connect.
Well, I was able to log. Oh, did you turn your internet back on?
No.
Turn your internet back on, and it will let you connect. I tried the same thing. And it'll let you log on, but it won't let you, like, play online and crap.
I don't want to play offline. Crap.
Yes
I
it
don't
is.
remember what email I used for this. There's so many.
I have, like, 5 right now, I think. No,
I
made 2 yesterday, so I have, like, 7.
I made one for Minecraft, a Hobo Clown Ninja, but I forgot to type the H, so it's Obo Clown Ninja.
Nice.
I need to make another email though. I've made probably close to 20 emails in my lifetime. I make a lot of them for just games.
Okay. Question now is, do I dig through this mountain, or do I go up? I'll probably dig through it, since it's so high.
I like making tunnels through mountains. It's always fun.
This is the most flattest level railroad I've ever made. I haven't gone up or down yet. Yeah, I love it. Oh. You think I'll hit this? I have to dig through it? Oh, no, maybe not. I think I'll go right under it. But it looks like there's a tunnel right there. Or one of those caves. Oh, it's close to nighttime. I was gonna say bedtime, and I'm like, wait, no.
How's it go backwards? What? Oh, I'm back down to 6%.
You suck, you know that?
It spiked for like 3 minutes. And I went back down. I could play Blockland.
Oh, what?
Blockland. You never played Blockland?
What's Blockland?
What? Okay, YouTubers who are watching this video, comment if you played Blockland. And if, like, okay, if 50 of the people that comment on this video have played Blockland, you need to buy Blockland.
I do. What is it?
I'll show you.
Oh, okay.
So, YouTube page. It's so awesome. This is like the original Minecraft,
Oh, really?
except with Legos.
Oh.
Okay, I had this kid in my class last year. He was convinced Minecraft was Legos. He was like, no, no, they're Legos. They're Legos. I'm like, no. It is a magical world where everything is square. They are not Legos, though.
I love the jokes about Minecraft. Like, the, iPhone where it's all glass. Or no. I think, yeah, it's the iPhone. Or no. But whatever it is, it's basically glass and then with one apple in the middle. And then you have a Nokia that's bedrock. And then with something at the bottom middle. And I just think that's a little funny. And then like if mom says go outside and play, you dig up a square block of grass.
That is cool.
Yeah. Then the one thing will disappear and then you just do what you do. Yep. Oh, you probably need to be connected for that. I don't know.
I'm unconnected.
Okay.
So this Blockland is so awesome. It's like a giant world of Legos. Alright, welcome. I am going to be playing Blockland today. I'm going to be posting many videos on YouTube, some of them Minecraft, some of them Blockland, some of them Terraria. My friend and roommate Tyler is also recording. He's playing Minecraft.
The best game ever.
It is the best game ever, but Blockland is also very fun. I am going to be playing zombies today if I can get it to work. I have not played Blockland in quite a while, so we'll see what happens. Not that one. Let's go to no.
Oh, stupid witch. Let's kill it.
Let's go to Afghanistan.
I killed the witch. Cool, and it didn't.
So this.
I killed it before it could do anything to me.
Win. So this. I have not set up this map yet, so I'm gonna show anybody out there who has never played Blockland before. I'm gonna show you how to create a very nice zombie map. So zombies can be very fun if you do it right. If you play with a lot of people, you need more zombies. I like to play by myself.
Don't blow up.
Or with just one other person. Survival. I don't like to play infected because then it's just people. They'll get just bit on purpose and they'll become zombies on purpose. It's just no fun. Alright, so we're gonna open up bricks here. We're gonna go to special, and you are gonna want to get a zombie hole. And you open up your brick selector, pressing 1, and this is for all you people who have played Blockland and know how to do all this, just bear with me. I am just gonna, teach anybody who has not played Blockland how to do this as well. So use 8, 6, 4, 2, 0 to go down, 0 to make the brick disappear. You use your number pad. It controls vary, but ensure you click enter. Zombie will spawn right away. They won't do anything until... Yeah, see, you just gave me a heart. They won't do anything until you started the minigame. So, the best way to set up a zombie map is just go around and place zombies in random places everywhere. If you can put a bunch of them in buildings, that's always fun, because then a lot of times they'll kind of stay in the building like this one is, just kind of sitting there. And then as soon as you walk into the building, they'll just attack you and everybody just freaks out. But Yeah. So I just fly around, play zombies everywhere.
Oh, I should turn up my volume for my Minecraft.
Um, yeah. I'm not sure why this color is changing every time. Oh well. Um, I usually like to place, when I'm playing by myself, I place about around 100 zombies. And see this here, this is a spawn point. This is one of the random places. I think there's about 10 of them on this map. It's one of the random places where you'll spawn when you die. I like to put at least one right next to a one spawn point, so everybody just hates to get spawned there. And then, yeah, it's just a good kind of, almost an instant death, unless you're good at my Blackland. I almost said Minecraft there.
Because Minecraft's so good.
Minecraft is good, but Blackland's good too. Blackland's a classic. It's been around since I was like 4 or 3 when it first came out.
I can make a bed!
Came out quite a while ago. So another thing you'll have to do with zombies is you can either have weapons. There are three rocket launchers on this map that spawn with the map. I usually like to go around and destroy those. So there's one here. I get rid of it. There should be one right over here. Yeah. I like to destroy these because these are OP weapons. It's just dumb because people who play on this map know that it's there and they'll go try and get it. And, there's one more. I'll find it later. But it's just no fun. I like to have everybody spawn with the exact same weapons, and then there's no controversy as to, oh, this person had better weapons than me, that's why he lived longer. So everybody has the exact same weapons, it just works better.
But if you know the map and you versus a player that doesn't know the map, they should learn the map so then they can get that.
Yeah, it's just such an OP weapon. A rocket launcher, it's basically unlimited supply of ammo, and it shoots bombs pretty much. It's a rocket launcher, it's an RPG. Rocket propelled grenade. Yeah, I mean, it's just, no. I usually give, you'll see in a minute. I don't like to play ammo. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. Ammo can be just really a pain, because especially when you have just hundreds of zombies everywhere. Because all of a sudden, all these zombies everywhere, and you've got like 2 bullets. Oh, I like to destroy these. Shoot. Oh, well. I don't like to give people an advantage with a Jeep. Especially, I think one of them was a flying Jeep, which is a thing in this game. For those of you who don't know, there are flying vehicles. They're awesome. But when you get like 3 or 4 people in a Jeep with automatic weapons, they just drive around and kill everything, and yeah, it's just no. I like to have everything fair. I like to have everything challenging. I like to have people not cheat. That is one thing I do not tolerate on any of my servers whatsoever, is cheating.
Oh,
My friend, not my roommate here is with me, but a friend from my hometown. Whenever I play with him, he always figures it. He somehow figures out my admin password every time, and he'll go on there and he'll cheat, and it just bugs the crap out of me. But what are you gonna do? I actually banned him from my server for a little while, and then I called him up. I was like, "Hey, I want to play Blockland." And he's like, "Yeah, get up a server." and he goes, he's like, you know I'm still banned from your server, right? He's like, I'm like, oh, crap, that's right. And for those of you who, some of you may know him, he helps a lot of people with mods. Maybe he helped you. His name is Honorable3. He has been with Blockland since it first came out. He was the one who introduced it to me. He is the one who got me started with it, taught me how to build, taught me everything I know. He is, yeah, he's really good. Alright, I think that's all the zombies I'm gonna do. There should be, let's take a look here, see them. Oh yeah, they're everywhere. I'm gonna put a few more right here. I think what I'm gonna do is right here. Just make a ton right here. Okay, there we go. I hit the max. 50 bots. Okay. Alright. So that's 50 of them. That's more than enough. So what you're gonna go is you're gonna go to mini games, create/edit. You can name it whatever you want, or you can just leave it like that. Player respawn time. I like to put that at 5 seconds. Vehicle respawn time, I just put that at 60 seconds. Merc respawn time, I like to put that at 20 seconds, not 30. Bot respawn time, I put that at 10. Standard player, no. I like to do no jet player. Jets are just, no. Turn off falling damage. No, no,